there, fellow tech enthusiasts! It's your favorite reviewer back again with another exciting video. Today, we're going to explore the amazing world of Google Bard, an AI-powered chatbot that can help you with a variety of tasks. So, if you're looking to supercharge your productivity and get more done in less time, you've come to the right place. But before we dive into the details, let me ask you something. Have you ever wished you had a personal assistant to help you with your daily tasks? Well, with Google Bard, you can have just that. From scheduling appointments to making reservations and even writing emails, Google Bard is your all-in-one assistant. To get started with Google Bard, you need to go to https://bard.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, click on Join Waitlist to request access to the experiment version of Google Bard. After you receive an email confirming your registration, you're all set to start using Google Bard. Once you're in, using Google Bard is easy. Just type in your request and let the AI-powered chatbot do its magic. Google Bard uses natural language processing and machine learning to understand your requests and provide you with personalized responses. And that's not all. Unlike Chat GPT, Google Bard is specifically designed to help you complete tasks and get things done. So whether you need help booking a flight or writing a quick email, Google Bard is always there to assist you. And there you have it, guys, a quick overview of Google Bard and how to use it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell so you never miss a new video from me. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.